Hello everyone. Today we will analyze the circuit using superposition method and Kirchhoff's law method. So in this circuit we have two sources. So we have the first source, or V1, we have 12 volts. And the second source, which is V2, we have 24 volts. We will use a current one, which is 1 ampere. We have resistance 1 equals to 2 ohms. Resistance 2 is 5 ohms. Resistance 3 is 10 ohms. Resistance 5 is equals to 4 ohms. So in order to show this, we have to utilize pieces. So we have here case 1. In case 1, we need to get the R total. So we have RT is equals to 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3 plus 1 over RL inverse 1. We have to substitute the values. 1 over 5 plus 1 over 10 plus 1 over 4 inverse 1, which is equals to 20 over 9 ohms or 2.22 ohms. And then we have R total is equals to R1 plus R3 is equals to 2 plus 2.22 is equals to 4.22 ohms. Get V total, we have I1 times RT, which is equals to 1 times 20 over 9 or 2.22, which is equals to 2.22 volts. So we will get VI2, which is equals to VT over R2 equals to 2.21 over 5, which is equals to 4.44 ampere. And RI3, which is equals to VT over R3 or 2.22 over 10, which is 0.222 ampere. And then IL is equals to VT over RL is equals to 2.22 over 4, which is equals to 0.555 ampere. So we have phase 2, where we will short circuit to the right. So solution, we have R3L is equals to 1 over R2 plus 1 over RL inverse 1. We also put the value which is 1 over 10 plus 1 over 4 inverse 1, which is equals to 20 over 7 or 2.86 ohms. Then we will get the R2 total, which is 1 over R2 plus 1 over R2 inverse 1. We substitute the value which is 1 over 3 plus 7 over 17 inverse 1, which is equals to 20 over 11 or 1.22 ohms. So we will produce the IV, which is V1 over RT. We will substitute the value which is 12 over 20 over 11 is equals to 66 over 20 or 3.35. Then we will get I2. The formula is IV1 times R3L over R2 plus R3L, which is equals to 3.3 times 20 over 7 over 5 plus 20 over 7, which is equals to 1.98 ampere. Then we will get I3L in the formula of IV1 minus I2, the value which is 3.3 minus 1.98 is equals to 1.32 amps. I3L times RL over R3 plus RL. We substitute the value which is 1.32 times 4 over 10 plus 4, which is equals to 0.38 amps. The last we will get IL is equals to I3L times R3 over R3 plus RL, which equals to 1 plus 1.22 times 10 over 20, which is equals to 0.24 amps. Phase 3 is Kirchhoff's law. R3L is 1 over R3 plus 1 over RL inverse 1. We substitute the values to be 1 over 10 plus 1 over 4 inverse 1. R3 is R2 plus R3 is equals to 5 plus 20 over 7, which is 55 over 7 R. IV2 is equals to V2 over RP, which is equals to 24 over 55 over 7, which equals to 168 over 55, or 3.05 ounce. In I2, IV2 is equals to 3.05 amperes. I3 is I2 is equals to 3.05